Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today we are gonna play Parrot Simulator and we are gonna have a lot of fun. So hope you enjoy and subscribe. So let's just play and choose location. Let's do this secret location first of all. Wait. Okay, let's almost there. Okay. Let's only a little bit wait and it will be there. Okay, I'm a male, so character name MUEEZ. Okay, now let's start the game and control your parrot using buttons down below. Okay, shift speed up. Okay, thanks. Okay, now let's click this. That's wrong. Let's click. Oh my god. Okay. Now what should we do? Okay, now we can go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go more up. Oh my god. This is super fun game. Oh my god. We can go more up. Oh my god. Let's go. Up. Whoa, attack. Okay. Hide. H. What is it? Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. Lock, unlock cursor. Whoa, this is actually a fun game. We are gonna go and what is that? Let's go a little bit back. Right over here. And we are gonna let's go with our friend at the parrot. Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, he's there. Oh yeah, hi. He's here. Wow, my friend. Oh my god, I'm gonna let's go fast. You can't go fast. Let's go. Attack. Let's go fast. Man, he's not fast. Let's go like this. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god. Let's go. We are doing this. Let's go and attack. Oh my god. He is running. Let's go. Let's attack. Attack him. Yeah. My god, why can't I kill him? What the? Where's the dog? Okay, it's here. Wait, let's get this card first of all. Man, it's running from me. Man, oh my god! Run! Oh my god, the snake is attacking me. Let's go and kill this parrot. I mean cat. Let's turn. Oh my god. Let's go back. Oh yeah. Okay, we are gonna go front and let's take some speed. Let's take. Oh my god, that's very high speed. Let's go up. Yeah. Ooh, what is this area? Whoa, yeah, we can go here. Let's press space, yeah. Let's turn back. Let's go and we're gonna try to go up that take off. Down. Okay, attack, shift, speed up. Let's go fast. He's like this slow. Oh my god, what is that thing in front of me? That's a wolf. So I'm gonna, oh my god, that's a dog. I think, yeah, that's a dog. Yeah. god, you were so slow. Man, where are you going? Huh? Space, take off. What the hell? Where is he going? Wow, that's a good dog. Sensitive dog. Let's go do some dealing. Let's just fly up the air. Let's fly. Let's go fast. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, let's go. Ah. Take over. Take over. We are almost gonna take over. No? Oh yeah. Let's take over. Oh my god. Let's go to some dealing. Let's find some dealing ship. Whoa. Oh yeah. There's a banana. Wow. I like it. Let's go fast. You're so slow. Ooh. Let's pick up food. Okay, I got one food. Oh my god, is that food coming to me? Let's go. Oh yeah, I found the apple. Oh my god. Whoa, look this. There's a piggy. Bad pig. Wow. Hello. Let me go there and come back and let's see what they say. They say nothing. We need to, I think, find 4 more families. So here is the apple. Let's pick a food. Oh yeah. Let's go and find one more parrot and let's see. Okay. Let's go here. Let's go. Oh my god. He's super slow. Oh yeah. Take over please. You're so slow. Oh my god. Why he's so slow? Let's go. Go. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh my god. Hi. Oh, that's a flower. Okay, sorry. Now let's see what we got. Oh no. A missing dog. Oh my god. I think 1 hit is done. Sorry. Sorry, man. I'm not gonna kill him. I'm just gonna run. Yeah, he's so smart. Okay, guys, that's all today, and hope you enjoyed the vlog and had a lot of fun. I'm out, and please subscribe. I'm out. Bye, peace.